My friends, let me show you quickly the beauty that is Rockruepel COMP.TWO. Here we go. This is the base Rockruepel default. Here's something I'd like to show you. So I started using Rockruepel with COMP.1, which was before COMP.2. And I thought it sounded bananas even when not compressing. I love the sound of the box itself. You know how to say, yeah, I use this for the sound of the box. This is one of those boxes. And so I called the designer, my friend Stefan, and Oliver is the designer, Stefan is the business person. And I said, hey, it would be amazing if we could just have the sound of the box and you could push into it, because of the vari-mu design, sometimes when you push into it, you get compression, even though the threshold's at 0, depending on how loud you get. So I said it'd be amazing if we'd have an amp-only feature. So we do. So I have this bass here. That's the sound of the bass with nothing. Listen very carefully to the bottom. Listen to how fat and woolly it gets at the bottom. Now I'm going to turn it on. Way tighter. And I can turn it to amp only. And then I can jack the level into it and saturate the actual circuit. And to make that easy to do, we added this feature that's only in software, which is inverse links the input and the output. It does this. See, if I put the input up, then the output goes down. Check out the sound. It's nice. And we added the capacity of turning the transformers on or off. So for example, say if you want to saturate a whole mix, but you don't want to lop off the very bottom because that's what transformers do, then you can turn the transformers off. Check this out. So this is this saturation in amp only mode with the transformer on. Listen to the boom, boom. And then I'm going to remove the transformer. With the transformer. All the bottom of the elasticity of bottom stays, which for this I don't want, but for a mix, if I'm using, say, the Rockruepel on a master, which you can absolutely do because it sounds fierce, it really adds a color and lets you control the dynamic in a very easy way. You can turn the transformer off if you really need that super, super low. But if you want to get even more vintage vibe and a little more help from the plugin, you just leave the transformers on and then you'll get that thing happening.